Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. In the previous video, we talked about what is ChatGPT and what is OpenAI. Now in this video, you will learn how to create an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT. So let's start now. To create an account, you have to open a browser and then you have to put the URL chat.openai.com and then it will redirect to this page. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So we have two buttons, login and sign up. If you have already an account with OpenAI, then you just need to click on login and then continue with your Google account or with Microsoft account or with your email and password. Currently, I'm going to show you how to create an account. So click on sign up. And then we have options here to enter the email ID and then continue and then enter the password and then enter your mobile number to identify that, or you can continue with Google accounts, Microsoft account and Apple account. So I will go with continue with Google account, continue with Google. I will enter the email ID. Let me click on next and then we need to enter the password. Let me put here, click on next, and you can see here currently I'm getting a just two-step verification to access this one. So I'm going to just allow this one. Okay, I just did that. Now it's going to create an account on OpenAI. Okay, now you can see here it's asking me to enter my details like name, first name and last name. So I can put here my name. I need to enter the birthday here, so I can put something like this. And then here we need to enter the phone number which we have not registered with this OpenAI, and then click on send code via SMS. So verification complete now. I will enter the code which I received on this phone number. And then once you will enter this code, automatically it will create an account for you. And this is done now. And then click on next, click next, then click done. Okay, now we are able to access ChatGPT. And you can start putting your prompt and then you will get a response. So let's say hi. I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn Blue Prism, please visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/blueprismrpa. And also, if you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy and you want to get certificate, you can search for my Blue Prism course there, that is Blue Prism RPA complete course. I will also put the link in my video description. You can go through there. Thank you.